Okay, here we are. We're in Ohio at a stop place, rest stop. So the car acted up and it stalled on us once and refired. So we pulled into the nearest stop about 2 miles down the road, and we searched out for how come the car quit. So after searching and searching, we found out eventually that the fuel pump decided to let go at its positive connection in the pass-through through the mounting flange. So with the help of some strangers, we managed to get some connectors and stuff, which we had none of, and took the pump out of the tank and did a pass-through wiring on the pump. So we've been here for what, 3 hours, 4 hours?
We here at noon, so we're in about 5 hours. Right?
5 hours right now. We're ready to put the pump back in. Took us about 3 hours, probably 2.5 hours to find the problem after chasing all the wiring. So we got the setup underneath the car, everything out of the car that we could find to use, jacked up, tanks dropped, and we're ready to put together. So I decided that even though this guy is one of my best friends, that between him and Ian, you guys are poison when I go on trips with you, because I have to end up taking your fuel tanks apart, and that's got to stop. So next time I'm taking my vehicle. That's all there is to it. So we're about 5 o'clock, about another hour or so we should be on the road. By the time we get stuff straightened away, we got an engine and transmission to pick up yet, and we'll probably start heading to Toronto. We'll probably drive through the night. More than likely.
We'll just see how we go.
We'll see how we go, yeah. So anyways, thanks to the good citizens of Ohio with their dents in their cars for stopping and giving us some electrical connectors. Other than that, hey, the whole trip's been pretty exciting in the first place. This just added to it. Love you, Izzy and Mike. See ya.